Para hoje temos aqui passeio do Moto Clube do Porto, aqui pelas serras do Marão, percurso mais ou menos de 100 km off-road. Promete ser muito bom, vamos ver, até já! Está aí a tropa toda.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that?
Olha, não tô maluco, o track tu está ao contrário, não tá?
Serra! O track em si está extremamente acessível a tudo e todos. Podem inclusive, isto está para fazer na boa com pendura. E as vistas, meu, está espetacular. Este track todo, aqui no meio da serra, meio do pinhal, isto ainda não foi invadido por eucalipto. Ou pelo menos não totalmente, há de ter alguma fração com certeza, mas pá, é lindo, não? O norte é lindo, o norte é lindo. Que grande bichão.
right now. The hardest things are always worth it. Yeah, I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on. I have hope, I'm open to a new place, a new road. I'm on my own, but I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm better off alone. Got demons in my head, they're better off dead. I'll find a way to kill this sorrow. Got demons in my head, I used to regret being in a better place tomorrow. Got demons in my head, they're better off dead. I'll find a way to kill this sorrow. Got demons in my head, I used to regret being in a better place tomorrow. I wake up to a new day, in the same place, with a new flame. I will make change, I will make a new life. Yeah, I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on. I have hope, I'm open to a new place, a new road. I'm on my own, but I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm better off alone.
Aí, opa! Mas a moto toda quebrada.
Vais lavar a moto! É de ir atrás deste morcão.
Vou à frente.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all, if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but then it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence, and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, or I'll